guys can tell, but I'm actually like, I'm like shaking. All right, let's hit it.
Let's do it.
You know, this is only the second Lamborghini I've been in. You guys saw the other one where I went in the AMS car. Definitely experienced riding one of these. Everything about this car is just the sounds, man. Oh, hey, look, Boosted Billy.
Yeah, nice little run. We had a nice little run with that guy this weekend. You could drop that here.
Shout out Colorado M5X. Boosted Billy sitting out front. Dude, this thing sounds so good. Oh, the rolling anti-lag. It's like a dig, bro. That felt like a dig. And we were going, what, 30?
I think something like that.
Oh my god.
Feels pretty rowdy, huh?
Dude, this thing's rowdy. I don't even think rowdy, like, I don't think rowdy, like, it does it justice.
So we're only on setting 2 right now.
Only 2. Out of how many?
4.
4, okay.
Yeah, on the highest setting, we usually run 1 ethanol R. It's kind of the go-to for that.
Okay. So I know the Viper had a dope-ass sound system. How does this compare?
Yeah, this one slaps too, buddy. We're double slapping. Yeah, this one actually has the upgraded stereo option, whatever. I don't know what it's called. I really don't know much about these cars, other than I saw kind of how they're performing and you know, just found a spec that I liked and pulled the trigger. So
hell yeah.
So fast on that.
Dude, on the on-ramp?
Were you expecting it to be that fast?
No. I didn't expect it to be that violent.
We got a lot more in it too.
Oh god, don't tell me that. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. Oh, the sounds. Nothing will ever beat a twin turbo Lambo in terms of sound. You cannot beat it.
It sounds amazing. I love it. I just like giving a little boost and hearing it, you know.
God, it just goes. There's like almost no lag.
Yeah.
That's
no
what's
lag.
crazy about it.
Yeah, they're fairly small turbos in the grand scheme of things, especially compared to the Viper. The Viper was on twin 8685s.
Yeah.
Some big old snails.
Oh, are they reacting to it?
Yeah.
It's a lot smoother.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's smooth.
That's like really, really linear power delivery. You feel the shifts, but it's not like aggressive or violent in any way.
You could feel it just a little bit.
Just a little. You could kind of feel it, like crab walking to the side.
It's making some power.
Yeah, it's making some real jam, dude. Wow. but it feels faster.
I mean,
It feels-
it's
it
gonna
feels-
be a good race against a Calvo car from a 40, 50-year-old. We'll have to see how that goes down a little bit later this year when Dylan gets his car back. We'll
Oh, yeah.
try it out.
I would love to see that race. So I definitely got to be there for that. Oh, it just sounds so good. Oh wow,
It's a weapon.
dude, this is a weapon of mass destruction. I'll tell you what. This is good, man. Thank you so much,
Yeah, it's a
dude.
good time for sure.
This is a blast.
Yeah, we've beat the crap out of this car the whole weekend.
Yeah.
And street stuff in Mexico, the streetcar takeover, multiple nights, multiple ride-alongs, plus all the tuning hits to kind of dial the car in for the elevation, and literally hasn't skipped a beat.
Not at all.
Not one single issue. So I can't say enough and speak highly enough about those guys over at Sheepy Race.
Yeah, they're awesome.
It's an awesome camp for sure.
Yeah, meeting Alex was a treat, man.
Super
that
nice guy.
that was so cool.
Yeah, he's a great dude.
Thank you very much, man.
Of course.
I had a great time.
Awesome. Yeah,
And,
we'll have to do it again. We'll get some more Mexico stuff lined up.
Oh yeah, definitely. Today we're back in Denver, Colorado with a familiar face. Ryan, you got a new car. Tell me all about it, man.
Yeah, so we got a new 2018 Lamborghini Performante. Obviously super excited about it. I ended up purchasing it I think like a couple months ago. And basically what we ended up doing is picking it up from a dealership. They asked where we should send it, what my address was. I basically told them I didn't even want to see the car in stock
No way.
or without turbos on it. So we ended up shipping it straight from the dealer in Georgia all the way to California to Sheepy.
Wow.
So yeah, they've been working on it. They turned the build around pretty quick. Just took delivery of it last week. And right when it landed, we put it straight through the ringer. Did tons of action in Mexico, went straight to streetcar takeover. And it's been a blast. Just absolutely love the car. So
Dude, it's awesome.
Yeah.
So you bought it sight unseen.
yeah,
Didn't
actually,
even look at the car.
I hadn't even seen the car, just pictures and FaceTime. And then again, never had a chance to even drive it stock. And so yeah, they put it all together. And then of course when it was delivered, I was really impressed with the car and everything it was about. So as far as the details of the build, we're really not disclosing too much.
Okay.
Which we could do more at a later time, but one of the hardest things I did from the Viper is disclose power numbers and this and that. Is couldn't really get a race anymore. So we're just trying to have fun, trying to enjoy it. It's nothing crazy. So yeah, more details to come.
Okay, very nice. Very
Yeah.
nice. So more of a grudge race setup on this one in terms of like, keeping everything secret. I like it. It's definitely fast. I saw it at Streetcar Takeover, guys. This thing's quick. You held right in there with Kyle with 1320. So.
Yeah, we were trying some different, power levels. It was kind of all over the place. I ended up getting basically DQ'd for sandbagging the class, but that's just how it goes. We really didn't know what it was going to do or how it was going to perform. We were kind of, all over the place as far as trying this, trying that. So again, I just signed up for the 150 class, and apparently you're not allowed to trap 141 in the 8th in the 150 class. So they, got eliminated through a technicality, but that's just part of it,
Yeah.
So
You win some, you lose some.
yeah.
So is this a wrap? Is this paint? Is this?
Yeah, so the color actually looks pretty crazy in person. It's actually a white car. I don't know the actual color code, but it does have the matte stealth clear wrap over the top.
Okay, so it's actually white from the factory, and this is the white from the factory, but It has the matte finish.
Yeah, so the matte finish kind of turns the overall finish into like a satin almost. It's not quite a gloss, it's not quite a matte, it's kind of right in between.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, it's got all the fun features, you know, all-wheel drive.
It looks so good.
Rolling anti-lag,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
on Motec. Yeah, I'm excited. We, you know, we did some racing over the weekend. Again, didn't race anything too crazy, but some 1,000 horsepower cars, you know. Started off the weekend, I think, going 4 or 5-0. Good job, buddy.
So you're
So-
still undefeated.
for a little bit. I don't like saying that too much because it gets a major target on my back. I'm not
Yeah,
trying to blow this
exactly.
car up right away, but you know, we'll progress it as the time goes on. So
Very nice, very nice.
Yeah.
So we'll do a little walk around the car. I love all of the black accents, the carbon fiber accents as well, the ALA. I don't know exactly what that stands for, do you?
I don't know what it stands for. It's part of the Performante. They call it like the ALA system.
Okay.
One thing I want to say is, you know, you get a lot of haters or a lot of people saying, oh, you know, where's the back bumper? Where's the back bumper? So it is going back on the car. This
Okay.
car was tuned in California. We're here in Denver. It's like a 10,000 DA difference. So we just wanted to strap it onto a dyno, get a little calibration, you know, update for the weather or for the density altitude, and then we'll put the back bumper on. So.
Okay. Very
Yep.
nice. Very nice. So yeah, we'll continue walking around the car. And what kind of tires and wheel setup are you running on this?
Factory tire up front, which I don't even know what it is. Looks like it's a Michelin, and then the back is a Toyo 888.
Okay, very nice. And you got the
So-
center lock. These are stock wheels, right?
Yep.
God, these wheels look so good. I don't know if you guys like these as much as I do, but like the center lock with the 5-spoke that kind of splits off the end, that's just hits
sick.
hard.
Yeah, I love the way this thing looks.
Oh yeah, definitely. And you also have, you know, of course, the Sheepy Race on the side right here, just to give a little hint
Yeah.
of to let people know what you got.
Yep.
And then of course the wing kind of ties the whole car together. And then when you put the bumper back on, it's just gonna look sick. But it gives us a unique opportunity to look at those bad boys right there. So what kind of turbos are those?
I believe they're 64, 66 precisions.
Okay.
This compression on the stock motor compression, it made like upwards of 1,600 horsepower on them, I believe.
Cool, man. So you're still running the stock intake manifold, air to water interchange. You mind if we pop the?
Yeah.
What is this called? The trunk or the hood?
The engine compartment. I
Engine
guess.
compartment cover. There you go. Ooh, dude, this looks so good with the white heat exchangers, dude. And oh, dude, this is so sick.
The little sheeps.
Yeah, little tiny sheeps. All right, so what do you got up here?
So this is just the tank for the air to water system.
Okay.
The way they install this is pretty cool. It actually has a drain at the bottom, so you can actually flip a valve, drain some of the water out, put fresh ice in.
That's dope.
To keep it nice and cool and keep
That's
everything
dope.
happy. So
Hell yeah. And these are, what are these things right here?
I think they're like gloves and some Lamborghini fluff.
Special Lamborghini limited edition stuff
Yeah.
that comes with the Performante. I love how this looks in here. It's super clean, and like even this plate right here just looks super nice. And then you got the pump down there running all the water and cycling it through, so I really like that. Do you like it?
Thank you.